Right, today I'm loading Biggles, the sound weapon for the ZX Spectrum 48K. Called is the best for UK review. This is Biggles, today I'm loading. Biggles, a secret weapon by Microsoft. Biggles, we're not going to wait for the whole loading sequence because it's going to take ages. So we'll get to the game. So this is Biggles, a secret weapon. It's like a flying game. As you can see, I can fly my craft. I can't seem to see what I'm doing because someone's shooting at me, I think. The graphics are very nice. One can really make out the trees and stuff on the ground. I don't know if I'm getting shot or not off yet. I don't think I am. Fly across. I'm dead. That's Biggles, the sound weapon. So we get a nice little tune. Gonna have a look at Biggles Time Warp. Now this is the other game from Biggles from Microsoft. Having a look at this game, it's loading for me at the moment. So this is Biggles Time Warp. There's a loading picture. It's now loading for us. So by Microsoft, 1986. Designed and programmed by Delaney or something. Darley. So let's have a look at the game. So now Biggles has finished loading. We get presented with a nice tune. 48K. So let's have a look. As you can see on Biggles, we choose our options. That was a little demo. So we can choose a keyboard, a Kempson, ProTech or Sinclair joystick. I'm going to have Sinclair joystick. So as you can see, you are first flying this plane. You can bomb the buildings. Ouch. If you get killed or something, you go on the top of these buildings. I don't know if I've just parachuted at the plane, I'm not sure. You can jump across. Ouch. And now I got killed, so now I'm down into the trenches. Some of this on this one. Yeah. Unless I climb down as well. And go. No, you can't go through them. Sorry, keep going. Ouch. I'm back down it. Now I'm back in the plane again. Woohoo! We're back in the plane there. Bomb these. Shoot these bombs out. Get through him. Ouch! Ouch! Now I'm back down here. The graphics are very nice. The gameplay is pretty cool. Quite addictive. Very nice little game for us. When I first played this as a youngster, it was actually on the front of a Crash prototype, but you could buy it. It was in the budget range of $2.99 I think at the time. If you have your Spectrum, I suggest you go and buy it because it's quite a good game. And I'm going to give Biggles, this is like a review based on both games, an 8 out of 10. Good boy, good boy. Goodbye.